You need a durable bag that can carry everything needed to survive a bug out. This bag should be large enough to carry 3 days' worth of supplies, strong enough to withstand any weather, and made from tough materials. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will be reviewing 3 bug out bags that allow for safe storage and easy access. Stay tuned to this video as I list out their specs and what I liked and disliked about the bags. Here we go. The first bag on the list is the 5.11 Tactical RUSH72. This bag is built using a 1050D nylon exterior, and its interior capacity is 55 liters. You can get this bag in your favorite color as it has 7 different color variations to choose from. RUSH72 is a huge bag with a big front pocket, a large main compartment, a hydration compartment, an admin pocket, and 2 side pockets. I liked its high-quality zippers and its water-resistant fabric. However, RUSH72 weighs 5.5 pounds without any gear inside, and it's quite expensive. If you are looking for a tough exterior bug-out bag, you should go for this bag. It offers great value for its price. Up next in second place is the Kelty Red Wing 44 Tactical Bug-Out Bag. This bag is built with a 500D Codra nylon exterior material, and its interior capacity is 44 liters. Its color variations are limited, but you can select from the 4 colors the brand produces. If you tend to overpack, the Red Wing brand has 2 size options, 44 liters and a 50-liter bug-out bag. This bag is the perfect bug-out bag for people who want long-term comfort. Kelty Red Wing 44 Tactical Bug-Out Bag has a side bag for a water bottle, a laptop sleeve, a large main section, a quick access top pocket, and space for a hydration bladder. It is an extremely comfortable bug-out bag that you can wear for long periods. What I don't like about this bag is its U-zipper design that makes it a bit difficult to open the bag completely. Kelty Bug-Out Bag's long-term durability makes it a great choice for people who want a bug-out bag that is comfortable and easy to use. The third bag I will be reviewing is the Condor 3-Day Assault Pack. This bug-out bag has a MOLLE, 2 3-liter hydration bladder pockets, document pockets, pen holsters, and radio pockets. It is a great choice for you if you need a bag to easily put your things and grab and go. What I didn't like is its outer material, which is lightweight and less durable for thorny bushes. Apart from this, the bag serves well in terms of size and comfort. Several other brands out there may serve your needs if the above 3 bug-out bags don't fit your packing plans. But you need to take the durability and materials of the bag into consideration before you buy any bag. Do you have any better bug-out bag brand you would recommend? I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.